Welcome to the lesson Understanding Spelling Part 2. After completing this lesson, you will be able to
list the words using different suffixes. List the rules for using certain letters. Kevin is writing a composition called Timmy the Elephant for his English class. He is very excited and asks his mother to read what he has written till now. Mother notices that Kevin has written the following sentence. Timmy wanted to be bigger and stronger. She asks Kevin why he has spelled bigger with a single G. Kevin tells mother that the adjective big has a single G. Mother agrees that this is true. However, she tells Kevin that big and bigger are spelt differently. She informs him that there are a lot of rules for spellings. Mother decides to teach Kevin about this. Come on, it's time for us to learn about understanding spelling. Let us learn the rules for adding the suffixes er, est, ier and iest to adjectives. Most adjectives of one syllable take er in the comparative degree and est in the superlative degree. For example, short takes er to form shorter in the comparative degree and est to form shortest in the superlative degree. For one-syllable adjectives that have one short vowel and end in a consonant, we double the consonant before er and est. For example, sad is spelled with a double D in sadder and saddest. Most adjectives ending in silent E take R and ST for the comparative and superlative degrees. For example, the comparative degree of huge is HUGER, huger, and the superlative degree is HUGEST, hugest. For two-syllable adjectives ending in Y, we change Y to I and add IER or IEST. For example, the Y in heavy is replaced by IER in heavier and by IEST in heaviest. For two-syllable adjectives ending in LE that are preceded by one or more consonants, we simply add R or ST. For example, noble takes the suffix R in its comparative degree nobler and the suffix ST in its superlative degree noblest. Other two-syllable adjectives take ER and EST in the comparative and superlative degrees. For example, narrow becomes NARROWER, narrower, and NARROWEST, narrowest. Let us read about adjectives ending in ABLE, IBLE and UBLE. If the first part of the adjective is an English verb, or if there is a hard C or K or G before the suffix, and if the letter before the suffix is I, the ending is able. For example, drinkable, applicable, extendable, etc. all end in able. Adjectives that end in IBLE are visible, possible, comprehensible, etc. Some adjectives end in UBLE, such as soluble, voluble, etc. From ABLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in ABILITY and adverbs ending in ABLY. For example, from the adjective applicable, we form the noun APPLIC ABILITY, applicability, and the adverb APPLIC ABLY, applicably. From IBLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in IBILITY and adverbs ending in IBLY. For example, from the adjective possible, we form the noun POSSIBILITY, possibility, and the adverb POSSIBLY, possibly. From UBLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in UBILITY and adverbs ending in UBLY. For example, from the adjective soluble, we form the noun SOLUBILITY, solubility, and the adverb SOLUBLY, solubly. Now let us take a look at some common word endings.
Both ASY and ACY are noun endings. Nouns with such endings are often abstract in nature and may denote a state, a condition, a quality, a type of office or government, etc.
The ACY group is quite large and includes words such as bureaucracy, democracy, illiteracy, diplomacy, plutocracy, etc. The ASY group is smaller and includes words such as fantasy, idiosyncrasy, ecstasy, athanasy, etc. The ending AL occurs with both nouns and adjectives. Nouns ending in AL include rental, dismissal, approval, etc. Adjectives ending in AL include tropical, central, dental, geographical, etc. Let us take a closer look at words ending in AL. The silent E is dropped when the suffix AL is added. For example, survive becomes SURVIVAL, survival, and approve becomes APPROVE, approval. The consonant is doubled at the end of a stressed syllable containing one short vowel and ending in one consonant when AL is added. So, differ becomes DEFERRAL, deferral, and acquit becomes ACQUITTAL, acquittal. The final letter Y changes to I before AL unless a vowel precedes Y. Thus, DENY, deny, becomes DENIAL, denial. Similarly, bury takes an I in burial. Exceptions to the case are betrayal and portrayal. They do not take an I before AL. Nouns ending in CE change E to I before AL. Examples are facial and commercial. Given below are the rules for words ending in ANCE. Words end with ANCE if there is a hard C or K or G before the suffix. For example, arrogance, allegiance, etc. Silent E is dropped before ANCE. For example, the silent E in grieve is dropped in grievance, and the silent E in insure is dropped in insurance, etc. Verbs that double their last consonant before ing also double it before ance. For example, surveillance, admittance, etc. The letter Y changes to I before ANCE. Thus, reliance and appliance take an I before ANCE. The suffix ANCY is preferred to ANCE for the following nouns: ascendancy, expectancy, hesitancy, etc. Words end with ENCE if there is a soft C, S or G before the suffix. For example, beneficence, effervescence, indulgence, etc. Verbs that double their last consonant before ing also double it before ENCE. For example, essence, ebullience double their last consonant. Verbs that have a stressed final syllable ending in R only double the R before ENCE if the syllable is stressed in the ENCE noun. For example, occurrence and concurrence have double R since the last syllable is stressed in each noun. The ending ENCY is used in preference to ENCE for the following nouns. Examples: contingency, consistency, efficiency, etc. Sometimes we confuse the spellings of words because they may have similar sounding word endings. Let us learn about the different word endings. The following table lists words ending in ARY, ERY and ORY. Nouns ending in ARY are dictionary, visionary, apiary. Adjectives ending in ARY are functionary, monetary, disciplinary. Words ending in ERY are slippery, cutlery, discovery. Nouns ending in ORY are laboratory, territory, allegory. Adjectives ending in ORY are statutory, contradictory, sensory. The following table lists words ending in CEDE, CEED, SEDE, ER, OR, AR, IOUS, EOUS. Verbs ending in CEDE, CEED, SEDE are precede, proceed, supersede. Words ending in ER, OR, AR are teacher, professor, lunar. Words ending in IOUS are pious, notorious, commodious. Nouns ending in EOUS are miscellaneous, instantaneous, homogeneous. The following table lists words ending in CIOUS, CEOUS, TIOUS, TEOUS, XIOUS, GIOUS, GEOUS, OUR, OUS, TION, SION, SSION, CION. Words ending in CIOUS, CEOUS, TIOUS, TEOUS, XIOUS are pernicious, herbaceous, cautious, righteous, anxious. Words ending in GIOUS, GEOUS are religious, gorgeous. Words ending in OUR, OUS are glamour, synonymous. Words ending in TION, SION, SSION, CION are sensation, tension, succession, suspicion. Some words in the English language are tricky and are often misspelled. Let us take a look at the list of these words. Pay close attention to the spelling irrespective of the pronunciation of the word. ACCOMMODATION, accommodation. There is a double C and a double M. COMMITTEE, committee. There is a double M, a double T and a double E. FULFIL, fulfill. There is a single L after each vowel. GODDESS, goddess. There is a double D and a double S. PHOOD, physician ends in CIAN. SEPARATE, separate. There is an E after the first consonant and the last consonant. VACUUM, vacuum, has a double U. PRIVILEGE, privilege. There is an E before and after G. POSSESS, possess. The double S is followed by a single E, which is followed again by a double S. TUITION, tuition. There is an I before and after T. YIELD, yield. The I is followed by E. When we are experiencing difficulties with spellings, there are certain tips we can follow to ensure that we spell correctly. First, visualize the word. Next, pronounce the word. Spell it out loudly. Separate the word into syllables. This may help in understanding the meaning and spelling of the word. Spell out the word once more. Finally, write down the word. We can use rhymes, word association, visual clues, etc. in order to remember spellings. For example, we can remember the spelling of the word separate by using the phrase, use para 10. When we remove the first consonant, U, and the last consonant, N, from the phrase, we get the word separate. Mother has helped Kevin understand spelling. Let us revise the main points before Kevin continues writing his composition. From ABLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in ABILITY and adverbs ending in ABLY. From IBLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in IBILITY and adverbs ending in IBLY. From UBLE adjectives, we can form nouns ending in UBILITY and adverbs ending in UBLY. Both ASY and ACY are noun endings. Nouns with such endings are often abstract in nature and may denote a state, a condition, a quality, a type of office or government, etc. The ending AL occurs with both nouns and adjectives. The suffix ANCY is preferred to ANCE for certain nouns. The ending ENCY is used in preference to ENCE for certain nouns. When we are experiencing difficulties with spellings, there are certain tips we can follow to ensure that we spell correctly. First, visualize the word. Pronounce the word. Spell it out loudly. Separate the word into syllables. Spell out the word once more. Finally, write down the word. we can use rhymes, word association, visual clues, etc. in order to remember spellings.